Pokemon Go's number one strategy tips and tricks. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to introduce to you one of the strongest character in Pokemon Go, Mewtwo, a legendary psychic Pokemon. Moves from the bogs, the ghost, and the dark can harm it. With a maximum CP of 4,178, Mewtwo's strongest moveset is Confusion and Psychic. To know if you have that one, you just have to go to Pokemon and then search Mewtwo, spells as Mewtwo. So, what's with this character and why is it strong? Okay, so Mewtwo has the potential to be a tremendous asset to your squad or a formidable adversary due to its excellent psychic skills. Mewtwo's major claim to fame is that it is confused with Side Strike, making it one of the objectively strongest items in the entire game. Although Psychocat deals less damage, it makes avoiding simpler. So that's it. Now all you have to do is to get this, to get Mewtwo in order for you to simply compete in the game. Another thing is that Mewtwo can do extremely powerful damage against ghosts and other psychic Pokemon with Shadow Ball, while Side Strike provides it a same time attack bonus.
Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.